Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming on to show you this traveller's notebook journal that I've made. I did show you how to make this cover without having a laminator. If you haven't already checked that video out, I will leave the description in the box down below. I did promise you in that video and a few others that I would do a little flip through for you. So here it is. I do apologise for those who was waiting for it. I've just embellished the cover here with a little dangle, and it's just tied up with some seam binding which I just sewed along here. So I'll just do a quick flip through. It does have two signatures in there, and it's quite bulky as it is at the moment, and there's quite a lot of empty space for someone to journal, add additional embellishments or anything like that, and this will be listed on my Etsy store. There's quite a few tuck spots throughout, so I'll demonstrate where the tuck spots are. Here's a little tuck there. Here's just got a lot of graph paper throughout the journal, just so you can add additional journals. So that's there, and here that opens like that, and this here is, there's a pocket here and that flips up. There's a pocket down below here as well, and that flips down. They're just two envelopes, and it's just paper clipped on there like that. Here I've just got a journaling card and a little embellishment that's included in Artie Maisie's kit, and throughout here I've stamped, I've embellished, I've added little fabric tags on the side, as you can see, and it's all colour coordinating to the kit, and it's the sunflower kit. I'm not sure that's the exact name, but it's something along those lines. I'll leave the link to the Artie Maisie's kit that I've used in the description bar down below. Here's two pockets here, pocket there. All the pages are quite lightly tea stained, and like I said, they're all the embellishments are distressed. So as you can see, plenty of room still to add your own journaling. Double pockets here. A little fabric embellishment there. I'll just show you those. That is in my previous video that I created. I've made a video on how to create fabric embellishments, and this is the video that I've used in there as well. Again, if you haven't checked that out, I'll leave the description to that down below. So lots of tucks here. So there's a big one there, and then there's a small little tuck there, and that's obviously an envelope. Here, a pen pal gave me this envelope, and I thought it quite fitted with the colour scheme. It was Cindy who sent me this, so if you're watching, thank you ever so much for that, Cindy. And that's just paper clipped on there. Here I've got a pocket there, a pocket there as well. Just some graph paper, which again folds out. And there's a pocket there and a fabric embellishment. And this is a couple of layers of pockets, tags that my another lady in another group sent me. I think she's used acrylics and a brayer to create those, so I thought again that fitted quite well with the journal. Lots of different pages. I like that little embellishment there, and it's just got a little tag on that, again tea stained, quite heavily tea stained this page. That's open there that you can put something in. Little fabric pocket there, and again more journaling space, more stenciling. This one here is just tied down with a paper clip, and that actually folds out, folds both ways. So again, it's a secret little journaling spot. Here's just an envelope from the Artie Maisie's kit. Little fabric embellishment. And that's the end of the first signature. So it's actually bound with quite a thick card, and I've just bound it with a pamphlet stitch. So this is the second signature. Again, there's a little pull out there. Tuck spot here and a tuck spot there. I put all trim down the side, and again they're all colour coordinating as well. There's an envelope there, just some old phone book that's in there. I think there's, nope, I thought there was a tuck, but there's no tuck there. I've rounded all of the corners, well, the majority of them. Little journaling card that I've created, tuck there. There's also a tuck there. Little pocket. Again, there's a tuck behind, a little tuck there and there. And I'll just show you the embellishment that I've put there. All that is, that's just a ruffle of paper in the sewing machine, and then I've just stuck the, you know, the little leftover pieces that you end up cutting and just sticking in a tub or a pile somewhere. Still lots of places where whoever receives this journal can continue to add to the journal, because I like that. It's not always good to have it as full as, you know, can't put anything else in there. Here's just a little pocket, an envelope should I say, that again, all of these are Artie Mae's ephemeras. It's just a little tag there, journaling card, just a little collage that I've created there, and again the envelope's open. Here's a fabric pocket that I've created. That actually isn't as lime green as it's showing up on the camera. Not sure why it's showing up quite as lime green. Here's just a mini journal that I've actually created that goes inside. So it's just created out of a quite thin brown paper, and it's just got lots of little pieces in. Again, just for journaling or maybe adding some photos. Lots of plain pages in there. There we go. So it's quite thin. And that just goes in here, and that's quite good because this pocket will allow for it to expand as well. Here's an envelope with a nice little embellishment and more spaces for journaling. Another little pocket there. Someone can add some ribbon or lace or whatever they would like onto this. Another little journaling card that I've made there. I've attached some twine on the side. This here, it's a pocket here, pocket at the top, that flips out. There's a pocket at the bottom here, and that one flips out. So there's lots of flips and tucks and things in this journal, and that's what I really wanted. Quite like that effect on a journal. And then inside this pocket, there's just a journaling card which I've printed onto an index card. So that's a journaling card from the kit that I've just printed. So that tucks in there. Here I've just got, again, some more graph paper, and there's the last page. Both in the front and back covers, there's like a plastic little pocket there. I'm not sure if you can quite see it on the camera, I do apologise. So yeah, there it is. So there's a little pocket front and back. There's the one in the front. So again, more embellishments, everything can be tucked in the front. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and have enjoyed watching me do a little mini series on this journal, so to speak, because I've done the cover and I've done fabric embellishments as well. Don't forget to leave a comment down below and subscribe to my channel. It may be the last Artie Mae's project that I do for some time, just because another design team project has come up. So I hope you guys can bear with me if my content changes a little bit, but I appreciate that you might support that. But I'll keep you posted and keep posting as often as I am at the moment. So don't forget to subscribe just so you can check out new content on the channel. I'll leave the link for this kit down below, and I'll also leave the link for my Etsy store down below. Thanks guys, bye!